how to track your orders on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can track our orders on Temu using the Temu app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to track your orders on Temu, you just need to go to this U section here, and here you see your orders here. Just tap on your orders. Before that, let me just verify my account. See. After that, just tap on your orders, and here you will be able to see the orders you have placed here. On your processing, you can find your processing orders here. If you can't find it here, just tap on this self-service to find order. You can see at the below at the middle, just tap on it, and here you will get different kind of ways on how you can see your order list. So in order to do that, you may just enter your phone number or your email address and other two things as well. After that, you may just tap on it and enter your information and tap on find order. After that, you will be able to see your orders and track your orders like that. So therefore, by following this method, you can track your orders on Temu. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.